Hi, my name is Herna Setia Sarjana and I am student at Balitar Islamic University. I want to be a teacher because I love sharing knowledge and helping others learn. I have three reasons why this job is worth doing. First of all, I enjoy teaching. It makes me happy when I can explain something in the way that it's so understand. I also like creating fun and interesting learning materials. Second, I want to inspire my students. I enjoy sharing my experience and helping them discover their potential. I believe a teacher can make a big difference in student life. Finally, being a teacher gives me the chance to keep learning and growing. Every day is new opportunity to learn from my student and different situation. I enjoying the challenge and excitement of the education world. That's why I want to be a teacher. Thank you.